the Victorinox Classic SD, the classic colors Fire Opal. This is a very basic Swiss Army knife, Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and it's pretty nicely made, like a gift box. Usually they don't come in these boxes, but the ones who are more suitable to be given as a present, as a gift, they will look like that. Classic SD colors Fire Opal, 0.623.T82G. That's the barcode in there. Nail mark, like that. Oh, wow. Wow, this looks really precious. There are many colors of this. Wow, this is really so tiny. It's like a jewel. This Alox scales, not the Alox, this Cellidor scales, they look like a precious stone, really, the transparent ones. They look like a precious stone, like a gem or something. This is the toothpick here, and let's see, this is comparison with the Alox model. The thickness. Okay, so the tools, we have the ring, you have the tweezers, pretty good tweezers actually, and toothpick that I wouldn't use it as a toothpick, but there are many ways to use this. So you have the scissors. Careful with the scissors. That there is another version actually, the jet setter is more suitable for airlines, but even that they might take it because of the scissors. Some places you just can't have the scissors. This is the blade, very sharp. Careful with the blade. Markings on it, Victorinox Swiss made stainless. And no markings on the other side. Nice tiny blade, but still very sharp, so if it's small it doesn't mean that it's harmless, so you have to be careful with it. Nail file with the screwdriver tip. It's difficult to choose between these two, which one is better. For the keys, I would say the Alox is better. This is the Classic SD Alox, red color, and this is the Classic SD Fire Opal with the transparent scales like this. For the keys, I would prefer the Alox models like the MiniChamp or the Classic SD. Actually, if you would get a MiniChamp, the MiniChamp is just a little bit thicker, just the size of one Alox scale. So, and also this will scratch pretty easily because it's plastic, but it looks nice though. I will keep this in a pocket, the jeans special pocket, and the Alox models, they are really nice for the keys. Classic SD is pretty cheap, so it's a nice way to have a little keychain accessory.